Hey guys, this is Maliha and today I want to show you how to set up Brand Kit on Canva. So go to canva.com and then on the left panel find Brand Kit and then click on it. And this is where you set up your brand assets. So you can set up your brand logos, brand colors, brand fonts, and it's a Canva Pro feature and this is actually one of the best Canva features and I love it because it's so easy to access all of your brand assets and then apply them to your designs when you have a brand kit like that. Now, for free users, you do have access to a light version of Brand Kit, and I'm going to show you what that means shortly, but first, let's see how to set up your Brand Kit. Now, as you can see, you can add your brand logos, and to do that, you have to click the plus sign, and that prompts you to add a logo from your computer. And as you can see, you can have PNG files, JPEG files, and you can even add SVG files, which is the recommended file format for logos, the vector graphics file. And like so, you have your logos. Now, if you don't want to have a logo, maybe your logo changed or something, and you need to delete a logo, just hover over a logo and then click the three dots and then click delete. And that's it. Click yes, delete it if you want to delete it, and I'm just going to click cancel because I don't want to delete it. Just wanted to show you how it's done. And that's how you add your brand logos. Now, you can also have your brand colors. And to add brand colors, just click this plus sign and then just type or copy and paste the hex code of the colors that you want, and that's it. If you don't want a color, just hover over the color and then you'll see a cross sign and then click it, and that's gone. And to add your brand fonts, you can just click any of these options. You have three options: headings, subheadings, and body. Just click whichever one you want to set, and then you can choose from these fonts that are available on Canva. And you have a lot of fonts available with the Canva Pro feature, free and pro fonts. Additionally, something you can do with Canva Pro account is that you can upload a font. So let's say that you use a brand font and the font is not available on Canva, but you have the license to use the font and you have the font file in your computer. You can just upload the font by clicking this button, and that will prompt you to choose the font from your computer. Additionally, some of the cool features of Canva Pro account holders is that you can have additional color palettes. So this is my primary color palette, and let's say that I want to add another color palette to my brand. All I have to do is click Add and Discover Palettes, and here you can choose from one of the color palettes that Canva shows you, or you can add a custom palette by clicking this, and that will create another palette. You can name the palette, and then you can add a palette or add a color to this palette by clicking this plus sign, like so. Now I'm gonna delete it because I don't need that palette. So there it is. Finally, one of the other cool things is that you can have additional brand kits with a Canva Pro account. So let's say that you have multiple blogs or multiple businesses and they all have different branding and you want to set up different brands. So all you have to do is click this button that says Add Brand Kit, and that creates a completely new additional brand kit. So you can name it and you can create, and as you can see, you have a completely new brand kit and you can start from scratch. You can add your logos like so, you can add color palettes, set up your fonts, etc. Now I don't need this additional palette, so I'm just gonna go click on brand kits, and then from here I'm gonna click the three dots and then delete, and then I'm gonna get rid of it. So this is brand kit. Now, I told you that the free users can also use a brand kit with limited functionalities. Let me show you what that looks like. So over here, I have a Canva free account, and as you can see, it's extremely limited. First of all, you only have one brand kit. You cannot have multiple brand kits. And even within that one brand kit, you cannot add your brand logos. So for example, if you click on this plus sign, it asks you to sign up for a Canva Pro account. It gives you a 30-day free trial, but hold off on that because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a 45-day free trial link. So yeah. Anyway, so you cannot add brand logos. You also cannot choose brand fonts. So as you can see, if I click it, again, it shows me, it prompts me to sign up for a Canva Pro account. Excuse me. And also, as you can see, you cannot add your own font. So not only that, you cannot set your fonts from the Canva's available font list, but you also cannot add your own font to it. And as for the brand color palette, you only have one color palette. You cannot have multiple color palettes. And even within that one color palette, you can only have 3 colors. So if you want to add another color, again, it prompts you to sign up for Canva Pro. So yeah, but you can change these colors to whichever other color you want to have, like so. But yeah, you're limited to using only 3 colors in your palette. So, I think that Canva Pro is a really cool thing to have as a blogger because you can do so much more with a Pro account. And I'm going to give you a 45-day affiliate link in the descriptions below. So if you want to just, sign up for a 45-day free Canva Pro trial, you can do so. Just play around with Canva Pro and play around with the features available to you with the Pro plan and see if you like it or not. And anyway, that's it for today. Hope you learned something, and I will see you later. Bye.